In this channel to do a drawing on it using my drawing. I'm going to show you how I look at a channel. When you first come in, you see 4 videos listed on top, and that's all you see. If you click one of those, you might not find something you really want. You may or you may not. Click videos. When you click videos, then it gives you a list, and you can go down through that list and see what topic may interest you. And that topic is the one you want to view. You just don't want to click blindly at one of those first 4. Some of these channels have hundreds of videos, and you're bound to find something that interests you. Of course, if you're a male and all that has is makeup videos, you might have a bit of a time finding something that really draws your attention. I would suggest anybody that has a channel that's really specific about one item, throw a couple other things in for people that maybe don't want to see the makeup but would like to say hello to you and look at your video. That's just a thought. That's what I would do. I look at this and say, what one can I pick out? What video should I pick out to use in my drawing? And I can use more than one if I want, but I kind of pick one video. This woman has such a big, giant, friendly smile, it's hard to pick out which one is the best one to make a video with. Oh my God, she looks so happy in every one of them. It's a wonderful, cheerful looking channel as I glance through it. But again, as I talk about videos, we'll look here and go, let's just look through. We'll look down real quick. Here's Starbucks in here. Here's spiritual laughter, fit over 40, cardio kicks. I mean, the topics are varied going on down through here. The Mother's Day, and I'm looking at the answers within. This is a good spiritual advice, or I just want to say advice, a spiritual feeling channel here. Here's a premiere is awesome. That's the only person I've ever seen to talk about that premiere being awesome. I did a premiere and nobody showed up. And nobody said they were notified. I didn't know you're having a premiere. I think that's in a test phase with YouTube. This is I see what's going to happen here right now. Is that this is going to be a video in just itself, and then I'm going to do a drawing on it. Seize the day, begin anew. A little encouragement. Lunch. You're bound to find something here you want to click on and look at. Homeschooling notes. My daughter was homeschooled. That's been many moons ago, but that'd even be interesting to me. What is she doing? How's she going about this? Oh, let's see what else. Bless my enemies. Oh my God! You guys, any guys got trollers out there? You better look at this one. There's more homeschooling, mind over body. There's just interesting things here. And I would never have seen that had I not clicked videos, because home showed me 4 videos. So when you go into a channel, click videos, look through it, and see if there's content that really draws your attention. On my channel specifically, I know I've got a lot of different topics. A lot of things, and if I go to other channels, I see there's so many. Here, get out of your comfort zone. Oh my God, did I do that when I read my poem? Jesus, I've never done anything like that online. It's just, you've got to look over what people. Here's anxiety management. Are you grateful today? I saw an ambulance. Have you ever seen an ambulance and thought, oh my God, am I glad that's not me? And I hope those people are okay, but I'm glad that's not me. I'm glad that's not my kid there. So a lot of it, are you grateful? You should be grateful just because bad things don't happen. Don't think you have to be grateful because good things do. Be grateful that bad things don't. I'm grateful every day I don't shoot craps, because I'm just happy that my life is good and I have no problems. I don't have to have a special, super great day to feel happy. Um, let's see. I'm going through here, man. She's making me think. I watched a couple of her videos and I really enjoy them. And I suggest anybody that wants feel good and thinking videos and this isn't a religious push. It's a spiritual thought, and that's a whole different feeling. Not that there's anything wrong with religion, but spiritual is great for everybody. There's more on homeschooling. And she's got a lot of choice. It takes a while to load all these and look at them and you read them. But if you're going to make a friend with somebody, say, hey, do I want to friend these people? Do I like this stuff? Vegan grilled cheese. Oh my God. I like vegan, but I would never go 100% vegan. It's just not for me. I eat a lot more vegetables than I do meat. But that 100% is not really in my book. A message for mom. Here's a message from mom. I saw up there somewhere. Going to the gym and yoga. There's just so much. And what you have to do in your mind is say, this woman has put a lot of content up here. There's a lot of thinking. This is 3 years ago. Her first video was 3 years ago. What do you learn in 3 years? Sometimes it's really fun to find a tuber, go back and play their first couple videos and see how they've improved. Learn about people. That's the fun of the YouTube. That's the fun. Learn about people. Don't click and get, oh my God, I want a subscriber. Click, look. 1 minute, 13 seconds. Okay, click. I watched it. Now subscribe. I hate to tell you guys, that's not even smart. You want to get in there and see what you really enjoy. I get stuck in that. I'll tell you, I get stuck on short videos because first of all, I have hundreds of comments, hundreds. And I couldn't possibly look at everybody's video that comments me and watch a full video. Not possible. There's not that many hours in a day. Can't do it. I would never be able to make any kind of content. So I do click smaller ones or shorter ones. But then I also go back and say, I enjoyed that video. I enjoyed that. Here's a subscriber. She has subscribed to me and she mentioned and talks to me and talks nice. I want to go back and look at a video and really get to know this person. And that's what makes YouTube fun. Getting to know people on here. I just can't get over here because I look in that smile. It's such a big, beautiful smile all the time. So if you go through and you click based on smile, your finger will get blisters on this channel. Because everything is just smile, smile, smile. This will be a fun one. I will watch this one. The YouTuber, as a matter of fact, I'm going to click that one. And it's like a double whammy. This woman does everything good. So this may be a very good video about the YouTuber learning curve. So I'm going to have to do 2 videos with her. Something from this one and something that gets that big smile. Of course, that big smile thought will be in here somewhere. So it's time to watch this video and prepare for making my drawing.
Hey, Spirit Scholars, welcome to another edition of PhD in
All right. I'm going to watch this video, pick out what I want to in my graphics, and I will be back to start my my video, my drawing.